it's already the second year, and yeah, I just thought about doing like a weekly vlog for the first week, so you can have an idea how the first week of college looks like. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. It's so early in the morning, like, gee. Good morning.
Falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night.
I know. So today came in the mail something that I was really excited about, and I'm still, was the Stocks Polaroid case. I really like this one. It's brown, kind of like really cool vibe. I forgot the adjective. Yeah, I really like it. My Polaroid, if you're wondering, this is its color. And also the computer case that I was expecting to arrive earlier but just arrived now, that is to protect my computer when I'm going to school and everything. Also, I've been doing something like at night. I don't want like to film it because I'm going to do a video about it, because it's like a DIY thing. It's a bullet journal, or more like a planner, that I'm creating. It's inspired on my favorite TV show. So if you don't know what my favorite TV show is, I think it's pretty clear, no? And yeah, basically this is how the bullet journal is turning out. Here is like missing some things, but I'm going to print them now. I've been editing in there. So yeah, I got the year part, goals, September, and yeah, till now I got till November. I'm gonna be doing a video about it because I just thought about explaining the process and everything else, like the prices, the DIY, how I plan everything, and maybe I'll do like a layout document for you to download, or maybe I will sell it very cheap on Etsy. I guess that's what it's called. Etsy, I don't really know, or somewhere else. The layouts for these planner, this is really cool. I'm so excited how it turned out so far, because I didn't mess it up that much, and I'm proud. If you hear any noises, they're my brothers, and my brother's just playing Fortnite and gets really excited about it. So now I'm just continue watching American Horror Story and doing my planner, and if you wanna join me, just keep on watching.
I want to know where I can go.
Good morning. It's early morning, like my voice is cracking. Yeah, so this is the outfit today. I just threw like a shirt because it is a little bit chilly outside, but then boom, 30 degrees. I don't understand. It's fall, my favorite season, and I'm still wearing like summer clothes. I don't understand. Yeah. Well, so they just reserved the parking with a chair. Nice.
When you're not around and I'm feeling down, so won't you stay for a moment so I can say I should've stayed at home. 'Cause right now I see all these people that love me, but I still feel alone. Can't help but check my phone. I could've made you mine, but no, it wasn't meant to be. And see, I wasn't made for you, and you weren't made for me, though it seems so easy.
So, hi, it's a new day here. Actually, it's 8 o'clock, like p.m. But I'm just terrible at vlogging, and especially this week because I've just been more chilled. I haven't got like a lot of things done. What is ridiculous? Yeah, so that's why I'm not vlogging much, because nothing has really happened. I just have casual like studies to do. I just finished studying all the ergonomics subject that I have to review, and yeah, I did that. And yeah, so today is my grandma's birthday, and we already light the candles and sang happy birthday. I just watched Mr. Kate's new video, and what else did I do today? I went to university. I got the vlog of London almost done. I know I have like all week I've been doing this editing process and everything, but I'm just so tired of that vlog, honestly, because I've been doing it for the last 2 weeks. Yeah, so the noise that you hear now is my brother playing Fortnite again. He's always playing Fortnite like 24/7, just stops to sleep, eat. So I just finished studying ergonomics, and I'm going to finish editing the vlog, and then I don't know if I can upload it today or I upload it tomorrow, but that's basically it. Haven't done much today, but yeah, I was supposed to, but then I just laid on my bed and watched Brooklyn Nine-Nine and American Horror Story today, so yeah. Ciao. Chill. I don't know what else. Oh my god! But you know, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, you heard what they say. All the more things change.
Hi. So I just realized that I forgot to do the outro for the vlog. I forgot to say goodbye. If you did enjoy the vlog, just give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel over there if you want to be just, you know, notified whenever a video comes up, which is going to be, if I can do this every single week. Just click on the bell down below as well. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and see you on the next video. Bye!